Hey everyone, today I've got some juicy leaks about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. If you're a Samsung fan, you'll want to stick around because we're diving into all the details. Let's get right into it. First up, the display. The Galaxy S24 FE is rumored to sport a larger 6.7-inch screen, an upgrade from the 6.4-inch display on the S23 FE. That's a nice bump in size, especially for those who love a big screen for binge watching or gaming. And it's not just about size. The brightness is also getting a significant boost. We're talking about an increase from 1,450 nits to a dazzling 1,900 nits. Imagine the clarity and vibrancy. The refresh rate remains at a smooth 120 Hz, and we're expecting a standard Full HD Plus resolution. Now let's talk battery. You might be wondering if the larger display means a bigger battery, right? Well, not quite. The S24 FE will feature a 4,565 mAh battery, which is just a tiny upgrade from the 4,500 mAh battery of its predecessor. Samsung claims it'll give you about 29 hours of video playback and 78 hours of audio, but of course, real-world usage will tell the true story. Under the hood, the Galaxy S24 FE is expected to be powered by the Exynos 2400E chipset. This is a variant of Samsung's flagship chip, so you can expect some serious performance. Plus, the phone is rumored to include Galaxy AI features. Think Portrait Studio, Circle to Search, and Generative Edit. These features should take your photography and overall user experience to the next level. Speaking of photography, the camera setup on the S24 FE is looking pretty sweet. The leaks suggest a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide shooter, and an 8MP telephoto unit with 3x optical zoom. That's a solid trio, and if the marketing hype is to be believed, we're in for some substantial camera upgrades. One thing that remains a mystery is the price. The current Galaxy S23 FE sits at around $599. Given the larger display and new flagship chipset, it's reasonable to expect a price bump. But how much? We'll have to wait and see. To wrap it up, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is shaping up to be an exciting addition to the Galaxy lineup. A bigger, brighter display, a solid camera setup, and the power of the Exynos 2400E chipset make it one to watch. So what do you think? Are you excited about these leaks? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. This is TechDevil, signing off.